Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming to you today with a Queenacraft product share. And as you all know, this is the after service card. If you'd like more information, there it goes right there. All right, and let me jump right in to the products that I'll be sharing with you today. All right, we have the Love Health Face ABS Imitation Pearl decorations. So they're half hearts, if you can see that in there. Then we also have the flower border dies, which is right here. And as you all know, they come in a beautiful package, but I wanted to be able to show you a little bit more personal for those dies. And then we also have here, it's album frame dies right here. They look kind of like a postage stamp. And then on here, we have the butterfly branch dies, which comes with this one here. And as you can see, that's a little flower there, a little branch there, and then the butterflies. And then this one is the natural flower dies. All right, I'm just going to kind of measure them really quick for you so that you can see kind of what you're working with. I'm just going to try and get it as close as possible so that you can see for yourself the distance of each one. And I'm measuring from the top of this to the bottom of that, so a little less than 2 inches. This here, and then that little butterfly there. The flowers, this is the biggest one. It's about 2 inches. And that's the layering piece that goes on top of that. And then this one here. And that's the layering piece that goes on top of this. And then this here, this is actually a perfect A2 size card, is what that is. Or almost perfect, a little bit bigger. And then this one here. And then they go down from there. You can kind of see for each one. All right, so those are the dies that I'll be working with. So if you want to keep an eye out, I will be posting a video up in the next few hours or so, and just check it out. That's all I have for you. Make sure you check out the links down below. Down below, I'll have the link to each of these products, as well as the discount code, which is MO. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.